It takes the little people to stand up, declares Andrea Tucker, a woman now facing a £4,600 repayment demand after selflessly dedicating 15 years of her life to caring for her mother. This statement poignantly encapsulates the struggle highlighted by an ongoing Guardian investigation, which has unearthed the harsh realities of the carer's allowance system. The investigation reveals how draconian and inflexibly applied rules have burdened hundreds of thousands of individuals with crippling debt in recent years, transforming a system designed to support vulnerable caregivers into a source of immense financial hardship and anxiety. Tucker's desperate situation has garnered significant attention, attracting the support of her local MP and the Liberal Democrat leader, Davey. Davey, himself a dedicated unpaid carer for his teenage son, John, passionately raised Tucker's case during Prime Minister's questions last Wednesday. In response, Prime Minister Keir Starmer pledged to investigate the matter thoroughly, acknowledging the urgency and gravity of the situation. Beyond the individual case, Davey's intervention calls for a systemic overhaul. He has urged ministers to immediately write off Tucker's debt, a practical step that would offer immediate relief from the crushing weight of financial burden. Furthermore, he advocates for a suspension of all carers' allowance overpayment demands until the completion of an independent government-commissioned review of the benefit system, expected this summer. This review, a crucial step toward reform, aims to thoroughly analyze the flaws and injustices within the current system, paving the way for lasting change and fairer treatment of unpaid carers. The Labour Party, recognizing the scale of this unfolding scandal, has committed to ending the injustices that have ensnared hundreds of thousands of unpaid carers like Tucker. The sheer number of carers unwittingly burdened with overpayment demands and subsequently forced into repayment. Adding to this grim reality, the investigation also reveals that over 600 carers have faced prosecution for fraud since 2019, a statistic that underscores the punitive nature of the system and the devastating impact it has on those who dedicate their lives to caring for loved ones. The sheer volume of prosecutions further highlights the urgent need for comprehensive reform and a more compassionate approach to supporting those who provide invaluable. The fight for fair treatment of carers is far from over, and the voices of those affected, like Andrea Tucker's, are crucial in demanding the systemic changes needed to ensure a just and supportive system for all.